Honorable Rupafadzo Makumire, MP for Chirezi Central Constituency, has openly challenged President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the government to take urgent action to address the deteriorating state of health care in Zimbabwe. Sarabina mashoka tunakuti aiwa mukomana uya achudza mutungamiriri wenyika achiti fix hospitals now. Achiuya openly achudza mutungamiriri wenyika nori subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibena pano panzvimbo ebulanyira chiti. Speaking recently in parliament, Makumire did not mince words as he called out the government for its failure to adequately support the country's hospitals, particularly in the wake of a series of tragic accidents that have claimed lives due to inadequate medical care. In quotes, our hospitals are in a dire need of attention, Makumire stated. Frankly, we can't keep going like this. The situation is unacceptable and people are suffering because of it. Makumire, who has been the sole opposition representatives for Chirezi in parliament since 2023, expressed deep concern over the government's lack of urgency in improving healthcare infrastructure and services. He criticized the government for repeatedly neglecting the needs of citizens, especially in rural areas where healthcare facilities are severely underfunded and under-equipped. He emphasized the recent deaths from accidents were a stark reminder of how dire the situation had become. In course, these deaths could have been prevented if our hospitals were adequately equipped to handle emergencies, he said. This is a matter of life and death, and we need to fix our hospitals now. The issue in hospitals must be addressed immediately. Thousands of people, they are dying road accidents, but they are failing to get that medical attention. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.